Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your HP Chromebook. The most straightforward and reliable method involves utilizing the Google Play Store, which is pre-installed on many Chromebook models. This allows you to download and run the official Roblox Android application directly on your device. It's a seamless experience, offering full access to millions of games created by users worldwide. You'll be able to join friends and explore vast virtual worlds in just a few simple steps. To begin, you'll need to ensure the Google Play Store is active on your Chromebook. Open your device's settings, which you can usually find by clicking the time in the bottom right corner and then the gear icon. Scroll down to the Apps section and locate Google Play Store. There, you should see an option to turn on or enable Android applications. Simply click this to activate the Play Store, preparing your Chromebook for game downloads. Once the Google Play Store is enabled, finding and installing Roblox is very easy. Open the newly activated Play Store application from your app launcher. You'll see a search bar at the top. Type Roblox into it and press Enter. The official Roblox application, developed by Roblox Corporation, should appear as one of the top results. Click on it, then select the prominent Install button. The download and installation process typically takes only a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. After Roblox has finished installing, you're ready to dive into the fun. Locate the Roblox icon in your Chromebook's app launcher, which is usually found by clicking the circle icon in the bottom left. Click the Roblox icon to launch the game. You'll then be prompted to log in with your existing Roblox account or create a new one. Once logged in, you can explore countless games, connect with friends, and enjoy the full Roblox experience right on your HP Chromebook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.